In this video, I will be showing you how to use Airtable's gallery view to visualize your Airtable records in a card-like format. So as you can see, we have our grid view here with all of our data, all of our software tools in our software or in our startup tech kit. And we want to add a little bit of a different visual touch to visualizing these records. So we are going to create a gallery view. So we're going to open up our view menu, select gallery, you can name it however you want, and then create the view. Alright, so once you create the view, you're going to see this grid of cards that's going to represent your Airtable data. You can customize these cards. You can choose which field shows up as this cover image. I only have one attachment field inside of this table, so we're going to go ahead and use that as our cover image. You don't have to choose a cover image if you don't have one. It can show up like this for you, which is a little bit more compact, a little bit easier to see multiple things at once, which is probably useful for some people. I'm going to leave that cover image on, and I'm going to actually check this box to fit the image into the card so that I can see the entire logo at once, which just makes it a little bit easier and a little bit cleaner altogether. From here, you can select any of the fields that you want to see shown on the card, and you can use the search field in order to narrow that down a little bit faster. Your filters and sorts and colors are going to work just like any other view, so nothing special there. A couple things to note about this view. In order to easily drag an attachment onto any of these records, all you need to do is take that image that you want to drop and drop it right on top of that attachment field, and it will add that image or whatever attachment you upload to that record in that field. So as you can see that value, that logo here. You can also add new records to this table by dragging your image or attachment to that plus sign, and it will upload that image as a new record. You can do that for multiple attachments at once in order to bulk upload as well, which is a really convenient feature to use. Okay, so that is how to use the gallery view in Airtable to visualize your Airtable records in a card-like format. Stay tuned for the next video.